Welcome back to the channel. Look, we're doing something a little different today for days 151 to 160. Honestly, I got lazy, so instead of bringing all these prints into the studio to record them under nice lighting, I'm just walking around my house with my phone. These are the prints that came straight off the build plate and went immediately into active service around the house. No aesthetic shots, just pure utility. Let's go. I wanted this paper towel holder even before my 3D printer actually arrived in the mail. I had this model saved on my desktop for weeks, just waiting. It's incredibly well designed, has pre-made holes for wall mounting, and the roll gets secured by screwing in the two middle pieces on each side. It prints fast compared to other bulky models, and I highly recommend it. Now, this toothbrush holder went straight from the plate, got screwed into the wall, and immediately loaded up. It has space for toothpaste and multiple brushes. My favorite part is the bottom. It has a grill mesh design so water can actually drain out instead of pooling into disgusting slime at the bottom. Very functional. 10 out of 10. Next up is a wall-mounted shelf. I searched everywhere for a model this big that wouldn't take over 6 hours to print. The designer killed it by adding a mesh bottom, and it keeps the structure incredibly strong while saving a ton of filament and print time. It has holes for 3 wall screws, but naturally I only use 2 because I'm lazy. Right now it's holding baby supplies and doing a great job. This broom holder is pure mechanical innovation. It's completely automatic. You push the broomstick in and the internal gravity clamp snaps shut to hold it. You pull the broom up and it automatically releases. It is incredibly satisfying to use. It's fully customizable too, so you'll have to bust out your calipers to match the exact diameter of your broom handle. Day 155 is a CD, DVD, and Blu-ray disc holder. Look, if you have a mountain of this media taking up space in random plastic cases all over your room, especially if they're non-original copies in blank sleeves, this is perfect for space savers. It keeps everything vertically aligned and organized. Now, this was another custom job where I had to measure the legs with my calipers. I printed a single test cap first, verified the friction fit, and then printed the other 3. I ran these in PETG so they won't scratch up my floors anymore when the chairs slide. I'm getting some TPU flexible filament soon, so I might reprint these later to see if rubbery bottoms feel even better. If you have a fancy mechanical keyboard, this custom phone and tablet mount slots right into it. It lets me watch videos and take calls while typing at the same time. This went to use so fast I didn't even get to show anyone on the live streams. Day 158 is a wall mount for my Chromecast streaming remote, because your remote needs a permanent home. Otherwise, it disappears into the couch abyss or gets stolen by toddlers. It's securely mounted with screws. Like I always say, I'm a real G. We use proper wall screws out here. None of that double-sided tape shit that falls off in 2 weeks. Next, I printed this heavy-duty wall hook, and thanks to a clever 2-piece interlocking design, the mounting screws are completely hidden. It looks incredibly seamless on the wall. I immediately put it to work holding my church bag. This bag is heavy. It is packed with a lot of God's books, okay? I printed the hook in PETG because I mean business, and it hasn't budged a millimeter. Honestly, the majority of stuff I print nowadays is in PETG for this exact reason. Let's complete the video with something fun. You guys already saw my Pikachu, Squirtle, and Charmander evolution silhouettes. Day 160 finally completes the starter set with the Venusaur evolution silhouette. Looking at them all together on the wall is an awesome display piece. Plus, It's a great visual reminder of all the different filament colors I've accumulated so far. And that is 10 more days down. Links to most of this stuff will be in the description below if I feel like putting in the effort later. Hit the like button and subscribe. This was a bit of a lazy phone vlog style video, so go ahead and leave some nice, encouraging sentiments in the comment section to make me feel better. Catch you later. Bye.